everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps.
Today I'm going to show you how to wind a hank of yarn into a cake using a tabletop swift. First, I'll assemble the swift. The 2 feet go together at the notches. The 2 crossbars go together in the same way. And the small dowel rod holds it all together. The larger dowel rods are for holding the yarn. Start by placing only 3 of them so that it's easy to put the skein on and adjust for size. Open out the skein and place it on the dowel rods. You can see that mine are way too far apart, so I will have to bring them in. Now place the final dowel rod. Next, check the full length of the skein to make sure it's not twisted. Now it's time to undo the ties. Find the knot and cut the ties off, or see if they will unravel on their own. This tie has the ends of the skein, so I'm saving it for last. This one came out all by itself. Fluff up the skein to make sure there are no tangles all the way around. Find the outermost end and attach it to the ball winder. First it goes through the tensioning loop and then attaches to the groove on the winder. Now it's time to start winding. You can use your hand for added tension control. Once you know everything is moving smoothly, you can start to pick up speed. I have not sped up this video so that you can see the actual speed that I was winding at. When you hit a snag, and you will, stop, loosen everything and undo it till everything moves smoothly again, and then continue. At an even speed, the swift should create plenty of tension on its own. However, using your hand as an added guide will help you stop any bumps or snags before they reach the winder. My winder is just a little bit too small for this skein of yarn, and I've reached the point where it's starting to skip a little bit. So I'm slowing down to see if I can get all of this on there and not have to cut it. The end that we attached to the winder in the beginning now becomes your center pull thread. Hold on to that as you remove the cake from the winder. Now tuck in the outside end and you have a perfectly wound cake ready to start knitting or crocheting from. The swift comes apart into the flat pieces for easy storage. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching!